Hi, can I sit here?
Sure. Please, have a seat.
Thanks. What are you drinking? It smells good.
It's a caramel latte. It's my favorite.
Oh, nice. I think I'll get one too.
Good morning. What would you like to order?
Hi, I'll have a caramel latte, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Great. I'll bring it right away.
So, how's your day going?
Pretty good. I just finished my morning class.
Nice. I come here every morning before work. It's my quiet time.
That's a great habit. Maybe I'll do the same.
Latte. Latte.